What is your edge against inflation? Welcome to Streams. On this edition of Streams, I'll be sharing with you key strategic ways by which you can hedge yourself against inflation. The inflation is rising, although there are assumptions that it's peaking now. But guess what? It may rise again. And your employer cannot keep up with increasing your salaries to match inflation. If some private sector could do it, if you are following the trend in the United Kingdom, the government has stubbornly refused to increase salary because they don't want to pump the inflation up again. And all the sectors of the economy is striking. That is the trend all over the world. And nobody can keep up with increasing your salary in order to match inflation. Rather, you need to pivot and be strategic to hedge yourself, hedge your investment, and hedge your economic blueprint against inflation. Number one, build a skill or train for new things. You see, when there's inflation, if you build a new skill, that skill, you will charge the services of it according to the trend of inflation so that you can hedge yourself, hedge your income, and protect yourself. Because what you are involved in now, whether you are in business or you are a career person, maybe your employer may not be able to match your increase to match inflation. But if you build a new skill in order to open up another maybe source of income or in revenue streams, it will protect you in a way against inflation. Number two, own an asset or build a business. I'm an real estate investor. If you own an asset, as the inflation is surging, you can change your price to also mitigate against that inflation. Or if you have a business, the product and services you are offering as well, you can increase it in line with inflation up to edge against that inflation. If you're a subscriber for any provider in any country that you are, they are already pricing and pushing up the price of their product in line with inflation. I was in a supermarket today. A particular biscuit that will be this long has been chopped in half in order to mitigate against inflation. If you own an asset or you have a business, you can charge in line with inflation. Number three, invest in yourself. The greatest asset you can invest in is yourself. Assets may devalue, quite all right. Businesses may fail. But if you keep innovating and you are investing in yourself, according to Moore's law, every information doubles after about 18 to 2 years. So innovate, learn new things, invest in yourself, buy programs, go to meetings, and learn new things. Deepen your knowledge in areas of your interest and pursue your vision. Always hedge yourself against inflation by putting these three things into your strategy, into your finance, or your business ideas. I hope this is useful for you. Share it and implement it with your team or in your own financial blueprint. Thank you for watching this edition of Streams. I want you to subscribe to this channel. We want to cross the first 1,000 so that more people can have the required knowledge for them to skill up, develop their team, and make the kind of right decisions in wealth creation for themselves and for their loved ones. Please smash the subscribe button. I will see you on the next edition of Streams. Bye for now.